Hello everyone! So I just want to share with you all this beautiful reservoir here at Hong Kong. So I don't know if ito yung pinakamalaki, pero ito yung pinakamalaking napuntahan ko at may pinakamagandang view. So super ganda siya. So ito ay papunta sa sa Clover Cove ba yung nito, yung ikot ng ganyan. Hindi ko alam, I'm not sure. So I will check it again. So i-comment ko na lang kung saan ito at tanungin nyo lang din. And please comment down below kung saan naaabot tong video ko, guys, like if napanood nyo. So thank you so much sa pag-support sa aking page. And then you can suggest me kung ano yung magusto nyong puntahan ko dito sa HK. So para mapuntahan natin, kasi more on hike ako actually, pero if may suggestion kayo, so you can comment down below na yeah, I want to see the like this, like that, so we can do it next time. And then dahil napaka-busy ko, we haven't do our anniversary raffle. So it will be soon, and then I'm so tired actually. So I'm so sorry, guys. So maybe we can do it that soon kapag hindi na ako masyadong busy at hindi na ako masyadong puyat. So I take time, guys. So maybe I cannot promise you all kung when. But actually I'm planning to, but I'm so tired. So ayun, guys, so ito yung aking libangan for my off day. So ito yung trabaho and gumala. So ano yung pinunta ko dito is trabaho at gumala. So napakaganda itong place na to at amazing place. So China yung kabila nito, guys. Pero ang ganda ng place na to, super ganda. Tapos pag dito ka na, wow, it's amazing. Ito yung pinakagusto ko dito sa HK kasi ang dami nilang hiking place na pwedeng puntahan. So napakaganda, yung mga bundok dito ang gaganda, as in. At saka free lang siya, maglakad ka lang. Yun lang yung mo. Hindi mo na kailangan ng tour guide. Kailangan mo na lang ng Google Map or Relive. I'm using always Relive, guys. Ayun. So, napakaganda itong bundok na to. It's so amazing view, guys. As in, napakaganda. At napakatahimik. Ayun. You can say, oh, I'm at peace. Just kidding. So, ayan lang, guys. Ito yung pinakamagandang napuntahan ko na reservoir, guys, dito sa Hong Kong. So, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if nagustuhan nyo itong video. God bless you and take care always. Please respect each other and be kind always.